Yeah, now let us see the advantages and disadvantages of public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. First, let us see the advantages of public cloud here. The advantages of public cloud are it is maintained by cloud service providers, so we did not maintain it. As it is maintained by cloud service providers, so we will not have any special maintenance to maintain it. It is one of the advantage, and it is location independent because its services are delivered through the internet. There will not be having any specific location for this public cloud because it is delivered through the internet, so it is called as a location independent. It is also one of the advantages of public cloud, and it is having high scalability, and it's cost effective and can pay as per use. As per your usage, we can pay the cost for the public cloud. And the disadvantages of public cloud are it is less secure because resources are shared publicly. As it is public cloud, all the resources are shared publicly, so that we'll be having less security in that public cloud. This is one of the advantage. And the next disadvantage is less customized as compared to private cloud. It is less customized compared to private cloud. Private cloud is completely customized cloud. So next thing is private cloud advantages. The advantage of private cloud is high security. As in the name itself, it is saying that it's private, it is completely secured. It is having high security, and in private cloud, security concerns are less since customer data and other sensitive information does not flow out a private infrastructure, because we'll be having authorization to the particular or dedicated person or organization, so it is completely high secure. No one can steal the information from private cloud. Next thing is data privacy. Only authorized people can access the data, so it is having the data privacy because only dedicated person will be having access to private cloud. No other can access the data without their permission. Next is more customizable. As I said you before, public cloud is less customized, and private cloud is more customizable. As it is like as companies get to customize their solution as per their requirement, so it is called as a more customizable. This is also one of the advantage of private cloud. Next are the disadvantages of private cloud. Private cloud is accessible within an organization, so the area of operations is limited. In public cloud, we will be having operations like completely public, so we'll be having access within the organization or out of the organization also. But in private, we'll be having access only within the organization, so the operations is limited, and it is high of cost because we need to maintain some special hardware and software, and we need to invest them in purchasing special hardwares and software, so it is high cost, and it will be having limited scalability. Coming to hybrid cloud advantages, it is scalable, and it is having secure, and it is low cost compared to private networks, and it is having flexibility also. As hybrid cloud is a mixture of private and public cloud, it is also having scalability, security, and it is low compared to private networks, and flexibility is one of the advantage of hybrid clouds. Next is disadvantage of hybrid cloud. Implementation. One of the disadvantages is implementation. The hybrid cloud infrastructure is as difficult to implement as much as it is to maintain, because in hybrid cloud we are having both private and public, so it is somewhat difficult to implement. Here you can read that the hybrid cloud infrastructure is as difficult to implement as it is to maintain, and it is having some security concerns, and visibility is also one of the disadvantage in this. And hardware expenses, we need to spend some amount for hardware expenses, so it is also one of the disadvantage of hybrid cloud. Thank you all. This is all about my presentation.